innovation engine for tomorrow. Korea Institute of Machinery and Materials. KIMM has been playing a key role as a government-funded research institute in the machinery field for the past 40 years. The institute is leading technological innovation through specialized research in 5 fields: advanced manufacturing systems, extreme mechanical engineering, nanoconvergence mechanical systems, environmental and energy systems, and mechanical system safety. The research goal in advanced manufacturing systems is the maximization of productivity and efficiency through the development of innovative manufacturing equipments and processes for products with accuracy ranging from the nanometer to the micrometer scale. Researchers use the world's best printed electronics technology to continuously print narrow conductive lines that are only 7 micrometers wide with silver nanoparticle ink. In extreme mechanical engineering, research is being conducted to overcome the limits of the conventional technology used in extreme environments. Through the use of plasma, researchers have commercialized an effective treatment process for hazardous greenhouse gases emitted during the manufacture of semiconductors or displays. In nanoconvergence mechanical systems, research is being done to combine machine technology with nanotechnology based on nanofabrication, nanomeasurement, reliability, and nature-inspired nanobiotechnologies. Researchers are developing industry-leading multi-layer nano-imprint technology that engraves nano-patterns into several layers with UV and heat. KIMM has system technology capable of detecting the location of the interlayer patterns down to 5 nanometers during the multi-layer circuit process. KIMM's multi-layer nano-imprint lithography system is being utilized in the semiconductor process. In environmental and energy systems, research is being focused on green energy and environmental machinery technology towards a pollution-free environment, energy safety, and original technology and equipment for the nuclear industry to cope with global warming and environmental regulations. Low-carbon gaseous fuel technologies are being developed for eco-friendly and highly efficient automotive vehicles. Also, researchers are propelling the advancement of this technology and expanding this technology into other areas. In the fields of mechanical systems and safety, KIMM has been researching the core element technologies necessary for the design and engineering of large and complex mechanical systems and their integrated system technologies. Moreover, researchers have focused on the new and innovative machinery system technologies as well, applying those relevant technologies all together. The revolutionary urban transportation system for the 21st century has been developed by KIMM. The maglev train, which begins commercial service for the second time in the world, will be a next-generation transportation system that makes our daily lives more comfortable. With incredible technology, KIMM has become the foundation for corporate growth in Korea. Specialized researchers, such as technology coordinators and doctors, assist in solving technical difficulties at production sites of small and medium-sized enterprise, increasing corporate competitiveness through evaluations of the reliability of machinery parts and running performance tests on original equipments. Now, KIMM's technology is moving beyond the Republic of Korea and out into the world. Our researchers are working to be the center of international studies in innovative machine-related fusion technologies by constructing cooperative networks between world-class R&D institutes and universities. place of ceaseless change and value-added creative technology. A research institute specializing in world-class machinery technology, leading national industry for the world's best fusion technology. The innovation engine for tomorrow, the Korea Institute of Machinery Materials.